The more you try to control life, the more resistance you feel. Many people believe control creates security. They try to manage every detail, every outcome, every variable. But control tightens the system. The tighter you grip, the more resistance you create. Alignment works differently. Alignment does not force outcomes, it prepares conditions. In the inner ledger, control is a signal. It tells you trust has been replaced by tension. Control lives in the future, in fear of what might go wrong. Alignment lives in the present, in clarity about what needs attention now. When you are aligned, actions feel timed instead of rushed. Decisions feel obvious instead of heavy. Control demands constant monitoring. Alignment allows movement. This is why over-control leads to exhaustion. The nervous system stays activated, energy never settles. Alignment calms the system. You stop fighting reality and start cooperating with it. This does not mean passivity. Alignment still requires action, but action without internal conflict. Think about water. Water doesn't force its way forward, it moves where space exists, and over time, it reshapes everything. Control builds walls. Alignment finds openings. When you release the need to control outcomes, energy reorganizes naturally. You notice better timing, clearer signals, less resistance. Flow is not something you chase. It emerges when alignment replaces control. If life feels tight, it may not require more effort. It may require less force. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.